the scariest places on Earth you shouldn't visit. Have you ever wondered what secrets lie in the shadows of our world? Beneath its beauty, Earth hides unsettling mysteries where the supernatural tugs at the boundaries of reality. From haunted islands to cursed forests, these are the spine-chilling places you should steer clear of, but can't help wanting to know more. Ready for this eerie journey? Let's dive in. Hidden deep within the Xochimilco canals of Mexico, the island of the dolls feels more like a scene from a nightmare than real life. Thousands of weathered, broken dolls dangle from trees, their glassy eyes gazing over the murky waters. According to legend, a grieving man began hanging the dolls to appease the spirit of a girl who tragically drowned nearby. Beneath the majestic slopes of Mount Fuji lies Aokigahara, a forest shrouded in deathly silence. Known grimly as the Suicide Forest, its dense trees and eerie atmosphere make even the boldest hearts falter. It's whispered that trapped spirits roam these woods, luring lost souls further into its labyrinth. Beneath the bustling streets of Paris lies a chilling underworld, the Catacombs, housing the remains of more than 6 million souls. This endless maze of skulls and bones has become a macabre hotspot for ghost hunters. Whispers of shadows, apparitions, and gut-wrenching cold follow those who wander here. It's said that if you lose your way, you might never find your way out. A chilling mist surrounds Poveglia Island, a desolate place off the Venetian coast with a gruesome past. Once a quarantine station during the plague and later an asylum, it's said the island is cursed. Locals refuse to step foot here, claiming anguished cries and ghostly figures haunt its ruins. Hidden among Colorado's Rocky Mountains stands the Stanley Hotel, a picturesque retreat with a terrifying reputation. Known as the inspiration for Stephen King's The Shining, this hotel oozes paranormal energy. Guests often hear phantom piano tunes drifting through abandoned rooms or spot ghostly figures walking the halls. The world is home to wonders, yes, but also to fearsome places where the line between reality and myth blurs. Which of these chilling destinations will haunt your thoughts tonight? Tell us in the comments below, and join us again for more edges of your seat mysteries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the for more spine-tingling stories.